Welcome to this video, where we'll show you how to change your password in the Travelocity app. Whether you've forgotten your old password or just want to update it for better security, this guide will walk you through each step so you can easily protect your account. First, open the Travelocity app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, in the Account section, tap on Profile. After that, select the option labeled Email and Password. Now enter your current password in the first field, then type your new password in the next box, making sure it's strong and secure. Afterward, retype your new password again to confirm it matches. Finally, tap on the Save button to complete the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.